Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is MCQ Part 1. Dear students, in this part, I will solve 10 MCQs. Okay, dear students, let us see. Dear students, here first question. Which one is the algebraic expression of the pattern of odd natural numbers? Dear students, you know that the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This type of numbers are known as natural numbers. Okay, we have to find the algebraic expression for the pattern of odd natural number. Here odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. It means that the pattern should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in this way. So we have to find the algebraic expression of this pattern. Dear students, algebraic expression of this pattern will be which one? We have to see the option 2A. A means natural number here and the value of A is 1, 2, 3, 4 in this. So if we put here 1, we will get 2. If we put here, the first expression is 2A. If we put A, value of A as natural number, we will get here 2 answer 2. And then if we put value of A is 2, 2 2s are 4. Then this will be 6. So this is not a pattern of odd natural numbers. Then 3A plus 1, 3A plus 1. Value of A is 1. We have to start from 1. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then put 2. 2 3s are 6 and 1, that is 7. And then 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. So this should be the pattern for this algebraic expression. And then C, algebraic expression is given 2A plus 1. Here put the value of A. Suppose A is 1. So 2 1s are 2 and 1, 3. And then put 2, 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5. Then 3, 3 2s are 6 and 1, 7. Dear students, this is also a pattern of odd numbers or odd natural numbers, but here we will not get 1, the first number, first natural number, first odd natural number we will not get. So next one is 2A minus 1. Now put the value of A is 1. So 2 1s are 2 minus 1 means 1. And put the value of A is 2. 2 2s are 4 and 1, that is 3. Now if we put 3, 3 2s are 6, subtract 1, we will get 5. So we can say this is the pattern of odd natural number as this is started from 1. So we can say the pattern of odd natural number is 1, 3, 5. As we are considering the value of A is natural number. The value of A is natural number. Okay, dear students. So our answer of first question will be D, 2A minus 1. 2A minus 1. Then question 2. Which one of the following is the pattern of Fibonacci numbers? Dear students, you know that Fibonacci number means sum of the two previous number will be the next number. So we have to notice which pattern follows these rules. Okay. For A, the pattern is given 0, 2, 2, 4, 6. Now see here, sum of these two numbers is 2 and sum of these two is 4. Now sum of these two is 6. It means that this pattern follow the characteristic of Fibonacci pattern or the Fibonacci numbers. So Fibonacci numbers form the pattern, that is A. And we can check B. In case of B, the pattern is 0, 1, 1, 3, 5. Here sum of these two is 1. Sum of this 1 and 1 should be 2, but here is 3. So this pattern has no, it means that this pattern is not a Fibonacci pattern. Now consider this one. In this case 0, 1. Sum of these two will be 1 and then 1, 1 will be 2. But in this case 1 and 2 if we add, this should be 3, but here is 4. So this pattern is not also a Fibonacci pattern. Next one 0, 1. Sum should be 1, but here is 2. So this is not a Fibonacci pattern. So we can say our first pattern is the Fibonacci pattern of Fibonacci numbers here. So we can say answer of question 2 is A. Now question 3. Here question 3 is 10,001 is the 100th term of which algebraic expression? Dear students, here 4 algebraic expressions are given. First one is 1 plus a square. Check 1 plus a square. Here if we put the value of a is 100, we will get the 100th term. So put the value of a 100, we will get 1 plus 100 square. It means that 1 plus 10,000. 100 square means 10,000. This should be 10,001. This should be 10,001. So we can say A is correct. Now we can check B, C and D. Is B correct? To check this, we can write expression B 99A. 1 plus 99A. So put the value of A. 1 plus 99 multiplied by 100. This should be 1 plus 9,900. So this should be 9,901. So this one is not, as our answer should be 10,001. So this one is not correct. Now see, a square minus 1. A square minus 1 means 100 square minus 1. 10,000 minus 1 means 9,999. This one is not also correct. Then D 99 a minus 1. 99 multiplied by 100 minus 1. It means that 9,900 minus 1. It should be 9,899. But this one is also not correct. So first one, that is 1 plus a square. That is 1 plus a square. So we can take answer as A. Now question 4. What is the sum of first A consecutive odd numbers? Dear students, you know the sum of consecutive odd numbers are, if we take consecutive odd numbers here, you will get the sum. Suppose 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this way, if you see, sum of consecutive odd numbers means, suppose we want to, if we consider first one, only 1 we will get. So sum is 1 here. And if we consider 2, first 2, sum will be S1, S2. This should be 4. 4 means 2 square. We can write 1 means 1 square. And if we consider first 3, write as 3. That is sum of this 3 means 4, 5, 9. It means that 3 square. Now consider as 4. So add first 4 numbers. You will get 16. That is 4 square. It means that, dear students, notice a characteristic of sum of consecutive odd numbers. The characteristic is, for the first number that is 1 square, for the second number that is 2 square, for the third number that is 3 square, for the fourth one that is 4 square. It means that if we consider sum of n numbers, this should be sum of n numbers. It means Sn. This should be n square. So if we consider sum of first A numbers, sum should be A square, sum should be A square. So we can say our answer of question 4 is B. Now question 5. Now question 5. What is the next number of the series? Here the series is given 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6. 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6. In this way the series is given. Difference between these two terms, first two terms is minus 5. Here is also minus 5. As to find the difference, we have to subtract the first term from the second term. Subtract the second term from the third term. We will get this. So in every case the difference is minus 5. It means that the numbers are increasing by 5. The numbers are decreasing by 5. The numbers are decreasing by 5. So we have to subtract 5 from the next one. What is the next number? Minus 6. So if we subtract minus 5 from this, if we subtract 5 from this, we will get minus 11. So our required answer for question 5 is C, that is minus 11 here. Okay, now dear students, see question 6. For the natural numbers, first one, 15 is the magic square of order 3. It means that 15 is the magic number of order 3 of the magic square. Okay, now dear students, you know 15 is the magic number of the magic square of order 3. This information you know. And question 2, 6 square plus 8 square, this is characteristic 2. 6 square plus 8 square equal to 14 square. Dear students, you know that 6 squares means 6 square means 36, 8 square means 64. Now if you add, you will get 100. You can express this as 10 square. But here is given 14 square. So this one is not true. But first one is true. Now see the third one. The sum of the natural numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. Dear students, you know this is correct, and you can find the sum of natural numbers using a formula, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here put the value of n. As we have to consider the numbers 1 to 10, it means we have to consider first 10 numbers. So value of n is 10 here. So if we put, we will get 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2. It means that if we cut 10 by 2, we will get 5. We will get here 5 and multiply by 11, we will get 55. So this one is also correct. Third one is also correct. It means that 1 and 3 is true, but 2 is false. So which one is correct? 1 and 3 is correct. Here 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So this one, B. B is correct here. So we can write answer is B. Now question C. First one, selling price equal to cost price minus loss when loss is made. Dear students, you know this is a formula and this formula is correct here. Okay, now 2. The cost price of taka 100, selling price is taka 92. So loss is 8%. Dear students, when the cost price will be 100 and selling price will be 92 taka, then loss must be 8 taka. So this is also true. First one and second one is true. Now check third one. Selling price is taka 120 against the cost price of taka 100. So profit is 20%, as selling price is 120 and cost price is 100. If we subtract, we will get the profit, that is 20 taka, and 20 taka is the profit for the cost price 100 taka. So this is also 20% profit. So this is also true. It means that 1, 2, 3 All are correct here. So we can say the answer. Which one of the following is correct? Only one. This is correct. But 1 and 2 is also correct. 2 and 3 is also correct. But in D, all are written here. So we have to consider here D as all the options given here. So D is correct. Now question 8. 2 pieces per taka 1. 2 pieces per taka 1 are bought and 3 pieces per taka 1 are sold. What will be the percentage of profit or loss? The students, you know, to find this, at first we have to solve the question in this way. Now see, here the cost price of one piece will be, as the cost price of 2 piece is taka 1, so cost price of 1 piece will be taka 1 by 2. And again selling price means selling price of 3 piece will be taka 1 and selling price of 1 piece will be taka 1 by 3. So this is the cost price of one item and this is the selling price of one item, and you know that 1 by 2 is larger than 1 by 3. It means that the selling price is smaller than cost price. So if we subtract, we will get the loss 1 minus 1 by 3. If we subtract, we will get 6. 3 minus 2, it means that 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is loss for taka 1 by 2. It means that when the cost price is 1 by 2 taka, then when the cost price is 1 by 2 taka, then loss is 1 by 6 taka. When the cost price is 1 taka, then loss should be, we have to divide. To divide, we have to write this one in the numerator, as we have to take the reciprocal here as we are multiplying. Now for the 100 taka cost price, we have to find the profit or loss. Here this is loss, so we can say 1 into 2 multiply by 100 divide by 6. Now we can cut by 2, we will get here 3. If we divide 100 by 3, we will get 33 integer 1 by 3. This is loss for 100 taka. It means that the loss percentage is 33 integer 1 by 3 taka. So we can say our answer for question 8 is here loss 33 integer 1 by 3%. Profit, no profit, no profit, but loss is not 50% here. Loss is 33 integer 1 by 3%. So we can say answer of 8 is A. Now question 9, that is sum principal will be double in profit principal in 5 years. What is the percentage of profit per annum? Okay dear students, now see here we can calculate this one easily. Suppose the profit is, suppose the principal is x taka, then profit principal will be 2x taka, as it will be double, and in that case the profit will be also 2x minus x, it means that x taka. In case of principal x taka, profit is x taka. And how much is the time? Time is 5 years. So if we consider the formula I equal to P/n, here we need to find R. So R equal to I by Pn. We can write here I means x, P means x, n means 5. So if we calculate here x and x we can cut, this will be 1 by 5. If we convert this into percentage, what will we get? 1 into 1 by 100 by 5 multiply by percentage sign we can give here. So if we cut, we will get 20. It means that 20%. Dear students, so we can say here the percentage of profit per annum is 20%. So first one is 8%, then 10%, then 20%, 30%. Here 20% is correct. Now this is our last question today, question 10. The simple rate of profit is 6% and principal is taka 5,000. First one, profit after 1 year is taka 300. The students here, we can write principal is 5,000. Now rate of profit is 6%, so 6 by 100, and time is 1 year. We can cut here by 100, we will get here 50, 5 6 are 30, 300. So we can say the profit after 1 year is 300 taka. This is correct. After 3 years, profit principal. So at first we have to find the profit of 3 years. So if we multiply this by 3, we will get the profit 900. So if we add with the principal, we will get the profit principal. It will be 5900. It means that 5,900. So 2 is also correct. Now 3, in 5 years, profit will be 3 by 5 times of principal. Okay, in 5 years profit should be 300 multiplied by 5. It means that 1,500, as 3 5s are 15. We can write this should be the profit of 5 years, but here we have to find out that 3 by 5 times of principal. Here what is the principal? Principal is 5,000, so 3 by 5 of 5,000. What will be? Here 5, if we cut here, we will get 100, we will get 1,000, and if we multiply by 3, we will get 3,000, we will get 3,000. So we can say after 5 years, the what will be the profit? Here I have obtained 1,500, but in this case we obtained 3,000. So we can say our third one is not correct. Third one is not correct. So we can say our answer is, as 1 and 2 is correct, first one will be the answer. First one will be the answer. The students, I hope you have understood the solution of these 10 MCQs. Do this as your homework. This is your homework 47. Dear students, submit your homework on next Sunday. You know that homework is very, very important for your annual examination, as your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.